Hello my dear students, how are you? Our objectives for today are to define root sap, identify the role of root hairs, and answer on the new action verbs indicate and analyze. Let's recall what we took in the last lesson in chapter 1. Chlorophylltic plants are green plants that contain chlorophyll. What are chlorophylls? Chlorophyll are green pigments found only in green plants. So they are not found in red plants and not in the yellow plants. They are only found in green plants because they give the green color. Chlorophylltic plants need water, mineral salts, carbon dioxide, and sunlight to grow. It needs carbon dioxide, not all the air, it needs only carbon dioxide. Nutritive solution contain mineral salts such as potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen. And potassium hydroxide is used to trap, catch the carbon dioxide. It takes carbon dioxide. So these are the main points that we took it in the last chapter. Chlorophylltic plants absorb water from soil and mineral salts from soil or water. So chlorophylltic plants take water from the soil and takes mineral salts from the soil or from the water, since water also contains mineral salts. Indicate how chlorophylltic plants absorb water. What I meaning first by indicate? Indicate, when we have a question start with an indicate, we must answer without any justification. So how our answer will be: chlorophylltic plants absorb water by their roots. So here I don't justify, I don't put because and since and like this, because we have indicate. So we must only put the direct answer, which is chlorophylltic plants need roots in order to absorb water or to take water from the soil. So if the question starts with indicate, our answer must be direct without any justification, since if you justify your answer you will take 0 when we have an action verb indicate in the question. I want from you to open your books, page 34, and look at document D. We have 3 plants, 1, 2, and 3. Each one it's growing in a different condition. The first plant, the roots here, they are dipped in water, dipped مغطسين بالماء. After several days, the plants grow normally. While the second one, the root hairs, are dipped in oil, مغطسين بالزيت. The plants wilt after several days. The last one, the extremity of the root isn't in water but the root hairs are in water. يعني الأطراف تاعولات الروت مش موجودة in water but the root hairs هن الموجودين in water. After several days, the plants grow normally. This table shows the different conditions and the results of chlorophylltic plants. The question is: analyze document D, then draw out a logical conclusion concerning the site of absorption. How we answer the action verb analyze? Find the variable and relate to its result. What this means? First, we want to find the variable, what it's doing, and the result, والنتيجة. يعني نلاقي السبب والنتيجة. So what we say, how we will start? Roots of plant 1 were dipped in water. هيدا هو الفاريبل، يعني الشيء اللي تغير from the first experiment to the second experiment هو إنه الroots they are dipped in water. البلانت 2 كانوا الروتس dipped in oil، بلانت 3 غير. فهذا الشيء اللي عم يتغير، هذا الشيء اللي عم يتغير انا بذكره بالاناليسيس وبذكر نتيجته. فانا بقول roots of plant 1 were dipped in water, as a result it grows normally. السبب والنتيجة. Now بدي انا بلش هلا بالبلانت 2. كيف بدي اربطهم ببعض؟ by using the word while. كلمة while بالاناليسيس كلها اذا عليها علامه ونص، كلمه الواي عليها نص علامه. So it's very important to mention the word while. While roots of plant 2 were dipped in oil, we are mentioning now the variable of plant 2, which are the ant wilt and died. We are mentioning here the result. Whereas extremity of the root of plant 3 isn't in water, but the root hairs are in water. This is the variable which as a result grows normally. So نحن ربطنا بين plant 2 and plant 3 by using the word whereas. They are transitional words. While whereas they are very important. So how we answer the verb action verbs analyze here only بس من نكتب اللي شايفينه، يعني بنحط ال variable and the result. لا بنستعمل كلمة because ولا بنقول ليش ولا بنقول why، بس بقول ال variable and the result. بس بدي انتقل على plant 2 أو ال experiment 2 I use the word while or whereas. We conclude that absorption of water is carried out by the root hairs. Note, it's important to use connecting words between analysis such as while, whereas, but. On the other hand, also we must use these words in order to move to the other experiment, and on these words there are marks, they are graded. On each word it has the half of the grade. So be sure that you use these connecting words. يعني إذا ما استعملتوا كلمة while فيكم تستعملوا كلمة whereas or but or on the other hand. أي كلمة تكون مهم إنكم تربطوا between the experiment 1 و experiment 2 by using any of these connecting words. So دايما حطوا ببالكم بالاناليسيس بدي اجيب سيرة الفاريبل إنه السبب شو عم بيصير بالتغيرات والنتيجة the result، وبدي أربط بين ال experiments by connecting words. We can sum up that the root hairs as we see in the picture here, root has roots hair، يعني الجذور عندها شعيرات كتير صغيرة عليها، فهيدول الروت hairs هيدول الشعيرات they are responsible to absorb root sap from the soil. هن هيدول الروت hairs اللي بيمتصوا the root sap. What's the meaning of a root sap? Root sap solution of water and mineral salts which moves from the roots to the leaves. يعني الووتر مع المينرال سولت اثنيناتهم مع بعض بنسميهم كروت ساب. هالكروت ساب يعني الووتر والمينرال سولت، بدل ما نضلنا نقول ووتر اند مينرال سولت بنعطيهم كلمة عنوان اسمه كروت ساب. هالكروت ساب تتحرك تنتقل from the roots، تنتقل من الروت وبتروح على الليفز.